Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0976 indicates an issue with the Shift Solenoid Valve B circuit, which is critical for controlling the torque converter clutch in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This error may arise when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects that the return signal from the Shift Solenoid Valve does not match its command. The TCM is responsible for managing various transmission functions through the Shift Solenoid Valves. Specifically, Shift Solenoid Valve B controls the hydraulic pressure to the torque converter clutch, activating it to facilitate smooth gear changes and vehicle movement. Recognizing issues in this circuit is essential, as it can lead to performance issues and impaired vehicle operation. The malfunction illuminates the Malfunction Indicator Lamp, MIL, and may indicate transmission problems that necessitate immediate troubleshooting. DTC P0976 refers to a low circuit condition for the Shift Solenoid Valve B, which directly influences the torque converter clutch operation. The Shift Solenoid Valve B, typically located within the transmission assembly, plays a vital role in managing hydraulic pressure that engages and disengages the torque converter clutch. The TCM commands this valve to either open or close the drain circuit, effectively controlling fluid flow. When this command is issued, the valve must respond properly to maintain the necessary pressure for optimal shifting performance. If the valve fails to operate as expected due to a short circuit or internal malfunction, the TCM identifies this discrepancy through a return signal mismatch, prompting the storage of DTC P0976. Identifying and rectifying the issues related to this valve is essential for the vehicle's transmission performance and overall reliability. The causes for DTC P0976 can be attributed to several critical factors. Firstly, there may be a short to ground in the Shift Solenoid Valve B circuit, which would disrupt the normal operation and signal flow. This condition can prevent the valve from receiving the necessary commands from the TCM, resulting in erratic or no movement. Secondly, an internal circuit short within the solenoid itself is possible, leading to a failure in the valve operation entirely. This could manifest as an inability to control hydraulic pressure adequately, thus impacting the torque converter clutch functionality. Lastly, a failure within the TCM may also produce this error code, as the module might not effectively send or interpret signals related to the valve. Understanding these possible causes is the first step in addressing the DTC P0976 effectively. When DTC P0976 is registered in the system, various symptoms may emerge that influence the vehicle's performance. A primary indication is the illumination of the Malfunction Indicator Lamp, MIL, which serves as a warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a transmission-related issue. Additionally, the shift position indicator blinking signifies a malfunction, indicating that the transmission is inconsistently reading inputs. This could lead to noticeable performance issues, such as harsh or erratic shifting, which can affect driving comfort and safety. Drivers might experience delayed or unresponsive gear changes, leading to further complications. The manifestation of these symptoms is not just inconvenient. It emphasizes the need for immediate diagnostic procedures to determine the underlying problem affecting Shift Solenoid Valve B. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0976 involves starting the engine and allowing it to reach normal operating temperature. This is crucial because the vehicle's hydraulic systems, particularly those related to the transmission, require a certain temperature range to operate effectively. During this procedure, pay attention for the radiator fan to cycle on at least twice, which confirms that the engine has reached the optimal temperature. This step provides the necessary conditions for accurate diagnosis. It is particularly important not to rush this process, as a cold engine may lead to false readings or misdiagnosis of any issues. Following this step carefully ensures that you can effectively replicate the conditions required to identify the cause of the DTC. The next step in troubleshooting DTC P0976 requires driving the vehicle in the D position at a steady speed of 37 miles per hour, approximately 60 kilometers per hour, for at least 10 seconds. This action is vital as it places the transmission under normal operating conditions, allowing the TCM to monitor the performance of the Shift Solenoid Valve B. While performing this step, it is essential to comply with all traffic regulations and ensure that the traffic and environmental conditions are suitable for safe driving. This steady driving condition enables the TCM to gather data on whether the Shift Solenoid Valve B responds correctly to its commands. If there are discrepancies in the expected performance, the TCM will register these, which may lead you closer to diagnosing the underlying issue of the DTC. Proper adherence to this step is imperative for an effective troubleshooting process. After addressing the potential issues indicated by DTC P0976, final repair verification is essential. This involves ensuring that all necessary repairs have been completed thoroughly and correctly. Once this is confirmed, the next step is to clear the DTC using an appropriate scan tool. Following this, it is critically important to retest the vehicle to ensure that the previously detected DTC has not reappeared. This process not only reaffirms that the repair was successful, but also confirms that the system is functioning optimally without any underlying issues remaining unaddressed. Proper verification helps to keep the vehicle's systems functioning smoothly, ensuring that the driving experience remains satisfactory. Comprehensive retesting will confirm that everything operates as expected, providing both peace of mind and reliability. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring the longevity and efficiency of the transmission system that includes the Shift Solenoid Valve B. Regularly checking and maintaining the transmission fluid levels can prevent overheating and ensure the fluid properties remain effective in facilitating proper hydraulic function. Additionally, inspecting electrical connections for fraying or corrosion can help in avoiding circuit interruptions that could lead to erroneous readings or circuit failures. Keeping connections clean and secure guarantees that the TCM can operate without issues. Furthermore, scheduling routine checkups where trained professionals can run diagnostics on the transmission system is a proactive approach to catching potential issues before they escalate. Adopting these preventive measures significantly enhances the overall health of your vehicle's transmission. In conclusion, understanding and troubleshooting DTC P0976 is critical for maintaining the transmission performance of the Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021. Timely diagnostics allow for quick identification of issues related to the Shift Solenoid Valve B and the TCM, helping to avert further damages. Awareness of the symptoms and possible causes empowers drivers to address these concerns before they become serious problems. Implementing preventive maintenance ensures that the vehicle remains in optimal condition, thus promoting reliability and safety. Following the troubleshooting steps outlined allows technicians to effectively pinpoint the problem and apply necessary repairs. Overall, addressing DTC P0976 ensures that the vehicle operates smoothly, enhancing both the performance and longevity of the transmission system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.